Well, last year she had 13.
Angie, thank you.
They're pretty much just getting their legs under them, just starting to walk. Their eyes only opened up on Sunday. So right now the boys are saying, wait a minute, why are we out here without our sisters? And
Oh, they're just so cute.
The sisters don't seem to mind, they're just snoozing.
Hey, little guys. Aw, sweet. Oh, are you doing a video?
yeah. At this point they walk like drunken sailors.
This one's already fallen asleep. He's like, oh well. So you have a thing you go to something tonight, some obedience thing or something?
It's 4-H program. It's a youth program. This particular club is strictly for kids with dogs.
Yep.
And we teach them how to take care of their dogs, teach them obedience, show handling.
Yep. Because we want to do like an obedience class with them.
Puppy, they start with what's called puppy kindergarten.
Yep.
And what that does is it starts with the socialization.
Yep.
There's really not a lot of training. It's more socializing and a little bit of basics, sit,
Yep.
down.
Yep.
And then from there into a basic obedience, which is